Have you ever wondered what makes each person unique? Is it their looks, their habits, or something deeper? Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the complexities of human behavior and psychology. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating aspects of being human personality. From what it means to how it develops, and even its role in the workplace, this is your ultimate guide to understanding personality. So, grab your favorite beverage, and let's explore what truly shapes who we are. 1. What is personality? Personality is the unique blend of thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and patterns that define who we are as individuals. It's the lens through which we perceive and interact with the world. In psychology, personality is often described as a combination of traits that are relatively stable over time. These traits influence how we think, feel, and behave in different situations. For instance, someone with an extroverted personality might thrive in social settings, enjoying group activities and making new connections effortlessly. Meanwhile, an introverted personality might prefer quieter, more reflective environments, drawing energy from solitude. 2. Examples of personality traits. To make it more relatable, let's look at some common personality traits. Agreeableness. A person high in agreeableness tends to be cooperative, empathetic, and caring. Openness to experience. Someone with this trait enjoys exploring new ideas, cultures, and creative pursuits. Conscientiousness. These individuals are organized, disciplined, and goal-oriented. Take a moment to reflect. Which traits resonate most with you? Comment below. We'd love to hear about it. 3. How does personality develop? Personality development is a fascinating process influenced by both nature and nurture. Here are the key factors. Biological factors. Our genetic makeup plays a significant role in shaping our personality. Traits like temperament and emotional reactivity are often inherited. Environmental influences. Family upbringing, cultural background, and life experiences contribute to shaping personality. For example, a supportive environment might foster confidence, while a stressful one could lead to heightened anxiety. Social interactions. Relationships with peers, mentors, and colleagues help refine how we express our personality in different contexts. Life stages. Over time, our personality may evolve. Adolescence, adulthood, and significant life events all contribute to changes in our traits and behaviors. 4. Personality in organizational behavior. Now, let's shift gears and talk about personality in the workplace. Organizational behavior is the study of how individuals and groups interact within an organization. Understanding personality is crucial for fostering teamwork, leadership, and productivity. Here's how personality impacts organizational behavior. Job performance. Certain traits align with specific roles. For instance, conscientious individuals excel in detail-oriented tasks, while extroverts thrive in customer-facing positions. Team dynamics. A diverse mix of personalities can enhance creativity but may also lead to conflicts. Understanding each team member's personality can improve communication and collaboration. Leadership style. Leaders with high emotional intelligence often excel in motivating teams and resolving conflicts. Organizations often use personality assessments, like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, or the Big 5 personality traits model, to better understand their employees and optimize team roles. 5. Tips for enhancing your personality. Finally, let's talk about how to cultivate and enhance your personality. Self-reflection. Take time to understand your strengths and areas for improvement. Emotional intelligence. Develop skills like empathy, active listening, and self-regulation. Adaptability. Embrace change and learn to adjust your behavior in different settings. Continuous learning. Explore new hobbies, read widely, and engage in meaningful conversations to expand your perspectives. Personality is like a fingerprint, uniquely yours, yet constantly evolving. Understanding it not only helps you grow as an individual, but also enables you to connect better with others. If you enjoyed this deep dive into personality, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into human behavior and psychology. Let us know in the comments what aspect of personality fascinates you the most. Remember, self-awareness is the first step towards self-improvement. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.